Hello everyone, I want to show you my updates. This all code and this new button for my new map and this place for train my IA. Not perfect, but this begin and in for begin this little cubes for train IA. And the main goal this is go to this point, and you can see these best durations and generations. Best durations for preview I will approach, and this distance in real time best durations, but in real time. Also, I want to say about how all this work, and when these iBots collisions with walls, this takes scores, but when then I learn how not collisions with these walls, and this I work with on system memory, and first this is go in this place, then this place, then stack it in this place. But I want study this for this method. First, we need this bar have video editors. When we will see on which time this IA can go, then we will see in another time how this IA worked. And we will see one minute. We will see which time this IA will be worked, and we will change these neurons for our goals, and this IA can be more intellectual. Why this stop it? And I want leave these IAs for few times for you see how this IA can learn. Also about hotkeys, tap will we approach mouse. Also in shift in right shift in the left side have button which we can or can move. Also shift and double SD for movement. I will leave left this video, and we will see how it can. We will see how this works. And null index, zero index IA show best performance for preview IA, and you can leave this IA for your view, and I want show this first and the second IAs show best results from preview generations, and you can see how best IA do self things.